Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back at it again with another video with my buddy Reese. Tonight we're going to break down our top 3 favorite short-term swing trade stocks. These present another form of risk with a higher potential reward. Some of these are penny stocks, but then again, we are not financial advisors, so do not take our word that these will go up. They're just simply the 3 stocks that we see value in as of now, in late October 2020.
And these stocks are very volatile right now, so risk management, you have to be on top of the game with it. And yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so a little abnormal chart for you guys, but again, these are kind of high risk, high reward penny stocks. So we're just gonna break down 3 of them for you guys, keep it a little short. So the first one is Apex. Without getting much into the actual stock itself, we're just gonna go over the charts and kind of our plan for trading this. I myself have traded this 2 or 3 times, once in this area, and again, I think this pop, or no, it was this pop. But why do you see value in it? Because at that point, I saw for there to be a common support line at the low $6 range, but these huge, astronomical, these pops, these 100%, yeah, like, and especially within a month to double, quadruple, 8 times your money, just ridiculous. So I saw for there to be another pop. I did not wait for the kind of a double-digit range, so it did sell prematurely, but I am looking for re-entry, hopefully maybe high 4s, low $5 range, and see a quick pop into the $9, $10 range for a 100% return on your money, to double your money. John Clark, new subscriber.
Hey.
Our boy John, shout out to our boy John.
Hey, John.
John Boy 90.
So looking at the 180-day chart, we could see that the simple moving average has been used as a decent support a couple months ago for these 100% bounces, and in these upcoming months, with it pushing up to the SMA, hopefully we will see another 100% bounce.
So the only other thing I want to add to this one before we move on to the next one is for there to be a very common resistance around the $12 mark. If you could put your one second here, your trend line tool here. I mean, it's bounced off there not 3 but 4 times now. So be wary when you kind of get into the $10, $11 mark. Maybe it's time to lock in profits, because as you can see, these bounces do not last very long. This is a 4-hour candle, meaning it shot way up there in less than 4 hours. It pulled all the way back to 750. So if you really want to lock in profit, my advice would be to have a sell order or a limit order around the $10, $11 price point, so we could lock in that profit and then and forget about it. Okay, moving on to the next one. Snap. So it's a very simple one to break down. As you can see, it's been going absolutely parabolic. I believe it was off of earnings. Yep, it was. So be very careful in this one. I thought it's bound for a pullback, right? Look how overbought it is, how overextended it is. It is bound for a pullback. But the answer is, when is a pullback coming? No one knows that. I thought it was at $30 and $35, then $40, then this morning. Like, there's no way it's going to 44, another 10, 12, 20% gain. At this point, I'm like, screw it. Again, it's a high risk, high reward, so be careful. The second it starts to pull back, this thing will flush down. So
you need very good risk management.
Yeah,
for this type of stock.
Very good risk management. Agreed. But then again, if you were to buy right now and it were to go up just $4 a share, that's 10% gain on your money. And on your principal amount, that could be 20, 30% gain. So, but also keep in mind, as a trader, you want to know just as much as a risk as a reward. If you're only thinking about reward, you're gambling. Traders think about risk, so kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Going on to the last one is KTOV. This one is special to me, and I don't want to say why. I've made a lot of money on it. I've lost a lot of money. I'm holding just shy about 5,000 shares right now. As you can see, it's starting to load the rocket here. It approached 180-day SMA, and it went all the way up to 550 today for almost a 30% gain. So I was up a pretty large sum of money. as there are rumors to be bought out by Eli Lilly, the pharmaceutical company. I don't want to go much into it. I'm actually going to shoot a whole different video on the stock alone. So stay tuned for that one. But it is my favorite pharmaceutical at this point and favorite penny stock. So I'm looking just at a buyout range. This thing can very easily go in the $20, $25, even $65 price point. A lot of brokers have it their price point at. So keep a sharp eye out for this one.
Once again, I would also wait for confirmation with this stock, as we see it is kind of flatlining right now. But if we see a push up around $6, which there hasn't been in the past 3 months, that is a good indication of buying in.
Agreed. Also, we want to make sure we're getting filled at the best price point possible to execute the most shares and build the most shares that you can have. So right now, there's no doubt that's a little overbought right now because of the kind of the push up coming. So
Definitely set your alerts at around
yes,
$6.
Yeah, set your alerts at $6, but also set it at about $4.50, just in case that's a good dip buy opportunity. Again, we're deal hunters. We want to get the best deal possible in each stock, and so as you can see, it's a common support line around the 380 mark. I don't think it'll go that much further, but I said that for DraftKings, and look how much further it went down. I'd say a good entry point for me is in the 420, 430 price point. But other than that, this is my personal favorite penny stock. Try not to have any bias because I've been a long-term investor for it. I don't want to be much of an investor anymore, but yeah. So I am making a whole separate video on the stock to really break it down. But if there's any other stocks you want us to break down as a team,
leave in the comments.
Leave in the comments. Join the Discord is the best way to get a hold of us and for us to break them down not only weekly but daily. So if there's any other penny stocks, long-term swing trades, any videos you guys want to see, make sure to comment, DM me on Instagram, join the team. Link is in the description. Next 10 people are free, so keep an eye out for that. Other than that, have a good night, guys. Is there anything else you want to add?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Deuces. Support.
Alright. One more try, boy.
Yep.
Ah!
Alright, so looking at the 180 day